Military Occupational Specialty, Construction Equipment Repairer. Fixing problems, anytime, anywhere, is the job of this MOS, keeping the Army's engineer equipment on the move. To do this, the Army will train you in basic and intermediate maintenance of equipment in the field or the maintenance shop. You'll also train to troubleshoot and isolate problems in electrical systems, various type engines, hydraulics, braking systems, and powertrain. You'll train as well to use various hand and power tools, and diagnostic tools like multimeters, and the maintenance support device computer. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work supporting Army operations in the field day or night, where your duties may include various diagnostic and maintenance tasks on equipment for earth moving, grading, lifting and loading, compaction, concrete work, and quarrying. You may also be required to read circuit diagrams and flow charts, and to lift and carry heavy components. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector, because your skills in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving are skills and values in demand by civilian employers. Military Occupational Specialty, Construction Equipment Repairer.